from Luxury Shine Detailing. We're here to introduce to you a new service that we provide. We vinyl wrap and color change cars. Right here we have a 2014 Audi S4 that we wrapped in 3M 2080 satin white. And this finish just looks amazing. When I put the ceramic coating on right afterwards, it just pops. And this car is just gorgeous now. Really challenging because we have all these different curves, and we have a side skirt that has this little hump here. I personally like this satin white. It just really shows off the car, especially when you have tints, black rims, and we smoked out the taillights. So the car is ready for this spring, summer in 2023. In the beginning, I didn't really like color changes because nothing beats the look of paint. When you ceramic coat a car or even just do paint correction, it just looks amazing. But now with vinyl wraps, it is so cool that now you could change your car with any color you want. And there's other films that we're gonna try to experiment with that's a little bit thicker, that kind of acts like PPF. And I believe that this is a great service that we're adding on to Luxury Shine Detailing. Here we can preserve the original paint underneath and just put on a vinyl that just makes the car look amazing again. And once we apply that ceramic coating on top, makes it really look slick, protected really, because over time you start seeing wraps tend to fade and discolor, and you want to protect what you just invested in. So here's our finished product, and I'm very excited to start bringing this out for all our clients and offering this wicked service.